Welcome to our comparison of the Silonn Nugget Ice Maker and the DUMOS Ice Maker. Today, we'll explore the features of these two popular countertop ice makers, highlighting their strengths and weaknesses. Whether you're looking for chewable nugget ice or compact portability, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. The Silonn Nugget Ice Maker produces soft, chewable nugget ice, perfect for enjoying in drinks or for entertaining. On the other hand, the DUMOS Ice Maker produces bullet ice cubes, which are great for quick chilling but may not provide the same texture as nugget ice. Depending on your preference for ice texture, this could be a deciding factor. When it comes to daily ice production, the Silonn Nugget Ice Maker leads the pack with an impressive output of 33 pounds of ice per day. In comparison, the DUMOS Ice Maker produces 26.5 pounds of bullet ice daily. If you often host gatherings or need a lot of ice, the Silonn may be the better choice. Price is always a crucial factor in any purchase. The Silonn Nugget Ice Maker is priced at $249.98, which is significantly higher than the DUMOS Ice Maker, priced at just $69.99. While the Silonn offers premium features, the DUMOS provides great value for those on a budget. Consider what features are most important to you when making your choice. Portability can be a deciding factor for many users. The DUMOS Ice Maker features a convenient handle, making it easy to transport for camping trips or gatherings. In contrast, the Silonn Nugget Ice Maker, while a fantastic machine, is less portable due to its design. If you plan to move your ice maker frequently, the DUMOS might be the better option. In conclusion, both the Silonn Nugget Ice Maker and the DUMOS Ice Maker have their unique advantages. The Silonn excels in ice production and quality, while the DUMOS offers affordability and portability. Depending on your needs and budget, either could be a great addition to your kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.